Most people start in AI business the wrong way. They start with tools. They start with prompts. They start with automation. But tools don't build businesses. Systems do. In this video, I'll show you how to build one. Simple AI income system, step by step. No hype. No shortcuts. Just structure. Step 1. Before AI, you need a skill. Not 10 skills. 1. Writing. Editing. Research. Design. Lead generation. Automation setup. Pick one skill you can improve over the next 30 days. AI can speed up skill, but it cannot replace it. If you don't understand the basics, you won't know if AI is helping or hurting your work. So step 1 is simple. Choose one skill. Commit to it. Step 2. Skill alone is not enough. You need a problem. Who are you helping? What are they struggling with? What result do they want? Don't say I use AI. That's not a business. Say, I help X achieve Y using AI. For example, I help small businesses write better content faster. I help creators automate repetitive tasks. I help agencies improve research speed. Clarity creates income. Without a defined problem, AI becomes noise. Step 3. Now we build structure. Every simple business has 4 parts. Traffic. Offer. Delivery. Repeat. Traffic. How do people find you? Offer. What exactly are you selling? Delivery. How do you provide the result? Repeat. How do you improve and refine? Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't build funnels before proof. Don't automate chaos. First, make it work manually. Then improve it. Let's make this practical. Imagine someone with writing skills. They choose one niche. Small, local businesses. Their offer. I help local businesses write better social media posts. Traffic. They reach out to 5 businesses per day. Delivery. They write and refine content manually. After 2 to 3 clients, they start using AI to speed up research and drafts. Notice the order. Skill first. Offer second. System third. AI fourth. Step 4. Now, and only now, add AI. Use AI to speed up research, graft faster, organize ideas, automate small repetitive parts. But don't let AI design your thinking. AI multiplies structure. It does not create it. If your system is weak, AI makes it weak faster. If your system is strong, AI makes it powerful. Before we close, let's quickly cover 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Starting with tools instead of skills. Mistake 2. Automating before proving the offer works. Mistake 3. Trying to scale without structure. If you automate confusion, you only grow confusion. AI multiplies clarity, but it also multiplies chaos. So, build clarity first. Final thoughts. AI is not an income button. It is leverage. Skill first. Problem second. System third. AI fourth. That is the order. Build systems, not noise. In the next video, we'll go deeper into strategy, how to scale what you've built. Follow AI Profit Lab.